cause number 2010-48394 in the interest of Alex, Omar, and Vanessa Munguia. All parties and witnesses, please turn on your videos, unmute yourselves, and raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to these children.
Diana Rojas, and I'm the mother of the child.
Okay, and sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
Alex Munguia, and I'm the father.
Right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
We have a suit for modification of support order and a motion to confirm support or rearage. We're having a hearing. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
Do we have any stipulations?
The parties had agreed to a modification of support to use $2,000 a month for gross income, which will result in cash medical payment of $120 and a current child support of $342 per month.
All right, so far, is that your agreement, Mr. Munguia?
That's until the Omar Munguia birthday, right? Because he's going to be 18 in 3 months.
So far, is this your agreement, Mr. Munguia?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and Ms. Rojas, so far, is this your agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so what are the issues, Mr. Regla?
The remaining issue, Judge, is the complication in the case. The father's requesting time to obtain proof of some kind of deed of trust sale of property, and therefore use the proceeds from that to release some money that the mother doesn't agree to releasing. Judge, the complexity of that is the reason that I'm recommending this case be referred to mediation in district court, because I just don't see us investigating a deed of trust sale and somehow applying that proceeds or result of that sale towards current child support. We wouldn't do that, Judge, in this court. And for that reason, I believe this may be a matter better referred to mediation with the DRO.
Well, you have a agreement on the modification of support order. Is that correct?
So far on that, yes, Judge.
All right, and the only portion that we're contesting here is the arrearage. Is that correct?
Yes, credit towards the arrears, which are 30.
And Mr. Munguia wants credit for arrearage. Why? I'm sorry.
Mr. Mukia?
Oh, it was for the credit for the house. Payments that I make on the house, she was willing to go like 10,000 on credit on those.
You made payments on
10,000 in credit? I'm sorry.
you made payments on the house that she's living in. Is that
Yes.
correct? She and the
Yes.
children.
Yes.
Ms. Rojas, is that correct?
Yeah, he lives with me, I believe a year.
He lived with you for a year and he was making payments on the house.
Well, I was working just like him, so he just wants the credit.
Okay, you're not answering my question.
Okay.
He was living with you and he was making the payments on the house. Is that correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Munguia, you were living there. Is that right?
After I get off from the house, I keep making payments for 8 years.
For a year after you left the house, you were making
For
payments.
8 years, I was making everything. She no work. I make payments, I make repairs, I make everything on the house, but she just denied everything.
Okay.
That's why she's just giving $10,000 credit, but she knows that I pay a lot of more money.
Okay, so how are you making the payments? By check?
We was making the payments on the office. I don't have no checks or nothing like that.
I'm sorry, how were you making the payments, Mr. Munguia?
I don't remember. I was making the payment through money orders, I believe, but I don't have those.
Oh, but you don't have the money orders. You can't prove you were making the payments.
No, we already agree with the payment reduction from her with the other judge. It's a letter there on the statement. You can see it.
I don't know what they're talking about. All right, we're gonna go to the other judge. transferring this case to the 247th District Court, and DRO mediation is ordered.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Yes.